Hi, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon to whichever part of the world you may be. I hope you're doing well. I'm thrilled to be your host for this webinar, which is entitled Enticing Activities That Hotels Can Use to Attract Guests. Now, allow me to quickly introduce myself to you. I am Jesseline Andrew, one of the development managers of Inoja Cloud Solutions. I'm based here in Mindanao, particularly in Davao City. So, mabuhay ug madayaw. Quick overview about our company, who we are. We are Renoja Cloud Solutions, formerly known as Easy Technosis. So what we do is we provide end-to-end hospitality solutions to all types and sizes of properties worldwide. We are proud to be one of the very few companies to offer global hospitality tech solutions. We empower small to mid-sized hospitality businesses backed by Anolja, which is the travel and tech unicorn of South Korea. We also provide 24/7 customer support, of course, to our clients. Now, let's proceed with our topic. So, the Philippine hospitality industry is a dynamic sector that continuously evolves to cater the ever-changing needs and desires of travelers. So, as competition intensifies, hotels, resorts, and other accommodations must go beyond the basic to provide unforgettable experiences. So, for this afternoon, we will go through with these ones here. We'll be discussing how we can strengthen our vibrant Filipino hospitality industry, how we can explore creative guest activities, and third, how we can enhance experiences and boost bookings. So in this exploration, we will delve into a variety of creative guest activities that can be implemented to elevate the overall guest experience. Now, let's have a quick look with the numbers. So, the Philippine hospitality industry is experiencing a significant resurgence fueled by the easing of COVID-19 restrictions and the increasing demand for domestic and international travel. So, based on our research, there is 10% year-on-year increase in bookings for domestic travels. Also, there is the rising count of affordable staycations, especially to those who are looking for budget-friendly stays. So here are some key trends shaping the current marketing scenario. So let me cite these three. We have the digital shift, we have the mobile first concept, and the increased competitions. So let's discuss first this digital shift, or what we know as digital transformation. So with this one here, we have online booking platforms. So you may hear platforms like Agoda, Booking.com, and Airbnb. They have become very essential channels to bookings. Now, second is in terms of digital shift, we have the social media marketing, wherein leveraging platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok showcases unique experiences and engage with a younger audience. And many others, actually, if we talk about digital shift. But by understanding these trends and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can continue to thrive and attract both domestic and international visitors of all ages. Now, the second is the mobile first concept. So in today's digital age, mobile devices have become an integral part of our lives. So as a result, a mobile-friendly website and effective mobile marketing strategies are no longer optional. Take note, they are no longer optional, but are essential for businesses of all sizes. Now, we also have number three, the increased competition. So the rise of boutique hotels and vacation rentals. So there is an undergoing significant transformation. And these trends can be both opportunities and challenges for traditional hotels. So, as hotel professionals or hotel owners, the question is, how do we set apart from the average? Or like, how do we keep up with the competition given those trends that I mentioned earlier? So more about the numbers, we have the Philippine hospitality in numbers. We have here, based on our data, we have 7.1 million visitors. We also have 1.6 million hotel rooms. And in terms of revenue, we have $8.8 billion. So if we try to convert this to peso, this is roughly 500 billion in peso. So with the double-digit annual growth, our country, the Philippines, has solidified its position as a leading tourism destination in Southeast Asia, which is something to be proud of, right? And let's think of ways now on how we can get our share with the pie. Now let's explore various activities that we can offer. So let's begin with cultural experiences. So for this aspect, we know that the Philippines is a vibrant archipelago which offers a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. So here are some unique cultural experiences that can elevate your hospitality offerings. So we can have culinary adventures. You can conduct cooking classes featuring local delicacies like adobo, lechon, or sinigang. You can also organize food tours to explore local markets and restaurants, sampling a variety of dishes. So for cultural nights, you can host live performances of traditional Filipino music such as kondiman or rondalla. Or you can organize workshops in traditions or traditional dances like tinikling, sayaw sa bangko, or singkil. Now, with the guided tours, you can organize guided tours such as visiting to museums or where there are preserved Spanish architectures, or even organize trips to indigenous communities like Igorots, Mangyans, Tiboli, wherein guests can witness their traditional dances, music, crafts, and even experience their clothing. Now, let's explore adventures and nature activities, which I think is preferred by most of us. So, our diverse landscape offers a myriad of adventures and nature activities. So, here are some popular options you can have. You can create activities such as island hopping and beach escapes. So, especially to those known destinations like Boracay, Palawan, Cebu, and even here in Davao region, you can let your guests explore the pristine beaches or do snorkeling or dive in the crystal clear waters. You can also have events such as mountain trekking and hiking, water sports and diving, or other outdoors activities such as zip lining, river rafting, bird watching, and cave exploring. By these offerings of various adventures and nature activities, you can attract a diverse range of travelers and create memorable experiences. But you always have to remember to prioritize, of course, safety and sustainability. And it would be best if you can connect local community involvement when planning these activities. Now, we also have here wellness and spirituality activities. So you can offer healing rituals such as hilot or ventosa. These are traditional Filipino massage and cupping therapies. For meditation and yoga retreats, you can partner with local wellness practitioners to organize retreats in serene, natural setting. By incorporating this, you can provide your guests with authentic and memorable experiences that showcase the beauty and diversity of our country. Also, we have options here such as creating family-friendly experiences like movie nights, kid-friendly workshop, play areas, and services. By offering this kind of experiences, you can attract more families and create lasting memories with them, okay, or for them. Next is for events and entertainments. You can have this You can also offer a wide range of events and entertainment options to cater diverse interests. So here are some popular offerings. We have live events, or you can have themed dinner nights such as beach parties, pool parties, or in terms of cultural festivals, you can help them celebrate local festivals and traditional food and music. Now, lastly, we have we also have here sustainable initiatives or sustainable activities. You can have eco-friendly practices where you can involve your guests, such as for waste reduction, recycling, and energy conservation practices. You can also have social responsibility activities, such as beach cleanup, and by supporting local communities through educational programs, healthcare initiatives, and job creation. So by implementing these sustainable initiatives, you can contribute to a more sustainable future while providing memorable experience for your guests. Now, given the different enticing activities that we provide to our guests, I'd like to highlight the importance of digital transformation, which was discussed earlier. So this shift is driven by the evolving need of modern travelers and the increasing power of technology. And this is why we're here to help. So we provide the best technology, the best service, and the best price. So we have products here that can help you optimize your hotel operations and optimize even your hotel sales and revenue. We have Easy Absolute for our online hotel management system, Easy Centrix for hotel channel manager, Easy Reservation for booking engine software, Easy Optimus for online restaurant POS system, Easy Panorama for website builder solution, Easy Mint for dynamic pricing software, and soon in the Philippines we will have Easy Pay, it's hotel payment processing solution. Now, why do we stand apart compared to our competitors? Again, one, because we provide end-to-end hospitality to solutions worldwide. And again, we are proud to be one of the very few who are providing this such kind of service. Also, we have this expertise of 17 plus years with a stronghold on research and development. And also, we provide 24/7 customer support all over 170 plus countries. And we are being backed by industry leaders such as Booking.com, Agoda, Expedia, Airbnb, TripConnect, and Google Hotel Ads. So these are some prominent industry recognitions, which I highlighted earlier as well. So these are some of the additional recognitions. And then quick snapshot, we are serving 33,000 plus customers worldwide, 7,400 plus users in the Philippines and counting, 650 plus seamless integrations. Okay, and these are some of our clients nationwide from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And we have these testimonies from our clients on how we were able to help them as they use our system, our solution. So I hope we are able to provide value to your time and give you additional ideas in terms of creating unique guest experience by enhancing your hotel reputation as we help you drive increased bookings. So it is our goal to provide valuable insights and innovative ideas to help business like yours thrive. So let's now proceed to the Q&A if you have any questions.
Thank you, Jesse. I hope everyone had a great session here and some wonderful insights were absorbed by you. If you have any questions in regards to today's session, you may see a chat box with the name Q&A on the bottom of the middle screen. Please click on that and you may add your questions that you may have. Feel free to share any questions you may have in regards to today's questions, and our team will be more than happy to address them to you.
Yep, thank you for listening once again. If you don't have any other questions, I'd like to say thank you, and we hope to be part of your success journey. Good afternoon, everyone.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.